Hi，我係阿傑，我嚟自香港。Every time I come to study 1 week and I go back for 3 to 4 months, I'm very thankful to my wife. She is working hard to take care of the kids. Studying in UK have been many people's dream, including myself. I think there is a reason why, because the teacher is discussing some questions that even they don't have an answer. So it kind of gives you a feeling that you are helping to shape the answer. That's a very inspiring experience to pick up knowledge in that way. The good thing is when I go back to my office, I'm more willing to speak up and share my perspective. And it's being appreciated by my team and my supervisors that this education is really transforming this teammate into more inventive and creative solution provider. Yeah, that's really impressive.